guys, so today's video is all about UPSC mains exam GS paper 2. So after this video you'll get to know the proper book strategy or the resources which you need to refer for this exam. So चलिए जल्दी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो गाइस, मैंने जीएस पेपर 1 के लिए भी वीडियो बनाया था, तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा है वो वीडियो तो मैं वो वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी, आप वहीं से चेक कर लेना गाइस. सो चलिए ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड पॉलिटी फर्स्ट. सो गाइज, आप लोग को पता ही होगा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड पॉलिटी इज़ अ वेरी डायनामिक, it's a very dynamic subject and also it's a very important subject. So starting with, you can always start with the new NCERTs from class 6 to 8 and you can go through a very brief reading. You can focus on the topic or the points from this book for the concept which are not very clear to you and you want a deep understanding. So yes, you can always refer the NCERTs book. So after completing NCERTs guys, you can look after Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. You can't get better book than this for Indian Polity. This will be a very important book for your preparation for UPSC, especially from the perspective of Indian Constitution and Polity. This is a very good book and also the most important book. You can't ignore this book for Constitution and Polity. This book is a must. So yes guys, after NCERTs you have to look after this book, Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. So after completing Lakshmikant, you can always make the notes on current affair relating to the topics from your syllabus. And current affairs plays a very important role in UPSC guys. Current affairs would be very important for your preparation guys, in terms of any subject or in terms of any topics. Current affairs is the must. You can make notes of current affairs relating to the topics which are on syllabus. Don't go out of syllabus guys, otherwise it will be very disturbing for you to understand everything of it. So for Constitution and Polity segment, current affairs is also a must. You can cover it from editorials of the newspaper, and also Vision IAS material is also a fantastic resource to cover current affairs, and also PIB, which can help you to understand the government initiative or the upcoming initiatives. So at last, for Indian Constitution and Polity, second ARC 6 report. Second ARC 6 report, you can go through it as a summary. It can give you a very good answer solution for your preparation. It can help you to increase points in your answer writing. So moving on to our next subject, that is governance. So for governance guys, you can prepare from second ARC report. This is the most important resource to cover governance topic. This report can cover most of your governance segment, mostly focus on the recommendations and the summaries of it and go through it very nicely. So the next is Vision IAS. Yes, Vision IAS also covers the governance topic, so you can refer Vision IAS for governance also. So the last resource for governance would be current affairs. You can also cover your governance portion from current affairs through editorials of newspaper, Vision IAS material or PIB. You can gain the good understanding in governance through current affairs. So moving on to our third topic of GS paper 2 is social justice. So social justice is a very dynamic segment of UPSC exam. It covers some of very important topic which are very important to understand. So for this you can prepare from, first of all, Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog is a very important source for your preparation. It covers some of recommendation or certain topics. You can specially look up to the 3 years action agenda and you can note down important point from it and quote down on your answer. So coming to next is budget and economic survey. So for this you can be very particular on it, and everything under it's not so important, but those which are in syllabus or related topics only you can refer to for the preparation of your studies. You can summarize the survey and quote down on your answer. This will add some value on your answer and it will look very nice. So the last is current affairs. So current affairs is very important part of social justice topic, and you can refer to Vision IAS or PIB for that matter. So coming to last segment of GS paper 2 is international relation. So this is very dynamic and a broad topic. So for this the must is current affairs. It all start with current affairs, and for this you can refer to Vision IAS current affairs material. This is very important source for international relation. So coming to next is editorial. So You can prepare editorial or note down the editorial from newspapers. And the last resource for international relation is Ministry of External Affairs. This is also a very important source for IR. You can get a broad idea about India's relation with other countries. So guys, that was all about GS paper 2 book list and resource strategy. If you found this video little bit of also helpful or informative, please do let me know in comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video with more such amazing topics.